Let's have a look at question 4 in this video. So because the employees care about each other's income, there is no free riding. So no room for free riding. Let's see if that's true or false. Now let's take the utility function and have a look at it, and then we can answer, because at the first glance it kind of makes sense. If they care about each other, they shouldn't free ride. They want the best for each other. But there is a small detail over here, and that's related to the coefficient. So the coefficient related to the income of the other guy. So this is the utility of the individual, utility of the first guy, and we can see that there is this gamma coefficient that depends on the salary, on the wage of the second guy. Now what we can see, it's a positive value, right? We have plus gamma. So if gamma increases, the utility of the first guy also increases. In other words, if the salary of the second guy is higher, the utility of the first guy also is higher. We care about the other guy. We want a higher salary for him. That's the intuition. But again, what we have to compare is also the effect of the salary of the first individual, the first guy, WI. This is the salary of the first guy, and there is a coefficient here as well, and that coefficient is equal to 1. We can see that the coefficient next to W is 1. That's 1 times W. Now if we compare the effects, right, because the coefficients show us the effect of the wage on the utility. Well, if the coefficient gamma is less than the coefficient of the salary of the individual, so is less than 1, what does it tell us? It tells us that the effect of the wage of the second person on the utility of the first person is less than the effect of his own salary. In other words, effect of other guy's income on utility is less than the effect of his personal income, What does this tell us? It tells us that the guy, this individual, right, the first guy of his personal income, this first guy cares about himself more than about the other guy. So he still cares about the other guy, he still cares about the other person's income, but he cares about his own income more. And that gives us room for free riding. Because he cares about his income more, he will do it in such a way so that he can work less and get more money. He can achieve a higher utility. In other words, we will still have room for free riding. So still have room for free riding. And the answer here is false. Hope this makes sense, and we are done.